Ashley, Chase from Chase and Ashley Outdoors. We just finished playing a quick game of Jenga at the truck. Weekend Jenga. It's always like a game trying to organize this.
And now that we're bringing new stuff, it's always changing.
Yes. And now we are out on a lake about to do 24 hours of overnight camping and fishing. So we made it to our spot. We are here setting up camp for the night. Chase is just throwing in some pegs. It's a little windy. Got the tent up. And something new for this time is we covered pretty much all the floor. We got a bunch more mats. So we're gonna try that out this time. We left a spot open there. And right there, so we could drill 2 holes. So we could do some fishing in the tent. So we're just gonna continue setting up. Now we're gonna get to the fishing. What are we gonna be fishing for?
For walleye, perch, pike. Apparently there's smallmouth bass in here, but we're ice fishing.
Doubt
so
we'll catch one of those.
Yeah, those are always slim to none.
Yeah. But mostly we're gonna be targeting the wallies.
And the perch.
If you're from Thunder Bay, we call them pickerel. But
Northern Ontario.
So
yeah, so we're pickerel fishing.
Jig and minnow.
Jigging a minnow.
And
I picked my sticks already. You probably saw that on the way in. So you always gotta find the best sticks. And we just found a bunch of red willows. I had to do some snow removal before we left because we were supposed to get it centimeters snow and we ended up waking up to a whiteout. So
it's about time though, because we're lacking on the snow this season.
We are big time.
Hit a couple rocks on the way in, but it's all good. So we're gonna finish setting up camp and get to fishing. So Chase is now setting up our heater. This is our second time using the diesel heater this winter. So far so good. We're just venting it out this hole. Chase did end up wrapping it in heat wrap for this trip, so that's different. Hey Chase, what are we bringing next time?
Shovel.
We talked about it again and never made it. Oh
New
well.
life.
No, you made that choice this time.
Oh, I did. I asked you.
And then you said, no, I don't think we'll really need it. I don't think there's gonna be
She's right.
I don't think there's gonna be that much snow.
She's right for once in her life.
Oh. Here we go.
I literally dropped it to the bottom. And I'm like, why is my line going all the way around the hole? But I don't think he's big. Okay, look. Let's see if he grabs it right away.
So we got our first line, or Chase's first line set up. He's back. Aww. He's just a little baby walleye. We're gonna toss him back. My first little minnow. Obviously we're gonna put him back. So I just now have both my lines set up in the tent because I'm gonna eat a little bit of lunch. And then I might put one outside. Chase already caught 2. So we're off to a good start. We just need some that are a little bigger. Getting up there.
A little bigger. Not quite what we're looking for.
No. Got him? Well, what do you know?
What do you know?
Another little baby.
Little guy.
It's got ripped off. I keep missing. Hopefully Chase can land this one.
No, he wasn't on there. He was just hanging around the minnow.
Wow, wow.
May come back to yours.
Oh, still a baby.
Little gaffers. Catch and release.
Just stopping for a little snack. We got gifted some moose summer sausage.
That is phenomenal, by the way.
Good little snack. Appreciate it. We got a keeper!
She got a nice walleye. Or pickerel.
Our first keeper. Thanks to my husband for taking good care of me. Oh, you're even gonna put my minnow on. Oh. So romantic. 8 pounds moose meat, 4 pounds beef fat. Baby. But now that our meat is all brown, we're going to start mixing the spices for our Bubba sausage. We're going to start with 1 cup beef broth. And then we're going to go with little thing. 1.5 tablespoons. As you can hear in the background, I'm editing sausage videos. 5 tablespoons while I sit here fishing. Just the baby. Next, we're doing 1 tablespoon black pepper. Still not catching anything big, but having a good time.
So what I should have did yesterday was I should have packed meat that was ground.
There's really good suppliers in here. But I got my second keeper. Finally. I feel like I missed him like 3 times before actually catching him. Hooked up. Poor Chase isn't catching anything out there. Come on, open up. I keep using my really dead minnow. Seems to be doing the trick in here. Let's catch another. So I believe we have a flag down. I don't believe there's a fish on here because I see the flag right under the ice, but might have just fell off. But I'll check to see if there's a minnow. Nope, ripped off. So we'll go rebait that. See if we can get a fish on it. We got our second flag down. Hopefully it's still here this time. Oh. Yes. Just little though. Well, at least we got him this time. Nice. It's a hot hole for the moment.
Keeper.
Chase is on the board.
What's that?
I said you're on the board.
Finally.
It's a good one. Nice. Got a little guy. I'm gonna send him back. Yay! I just caught one too, but I threw him back. So it's been a fairly consistent bite tonight, or today I should say. It's just about to get dark outside. As you can see, got my lights going, but hopefully the bite picks up a little more for the evening. Chase and I just caught one each. He kept his, I threw mine back. So we both have our 2 keepers, and we're allowed 2 more. We should leave with limits and a good feed for the week. Chase is just at the shoreline prepping a fire for us tonight. We enjoyed our fire so much last time we were out on the ice that we decided that we wanted to have another one. So he got some wood this afternoon, and we'll probably do that before or after dinner. So we decided on the fire first.
Fire and then dinner.
Yes. A nice toasty one. How goes the day today?
It was alright. We caught some fish. Actually, we caught quite a few. We just threw a lot of smaller ones back, which
was alright.
Would have been edible.
Still a lot of fun.
Still fun.
We have 4 on the ice and we have 4 more to go.
Yeah.
Maybe tonight will be the time, or tomorrow morning.
I'm putting money on tomorrow morning.
I think we might catch 1 tonight.
Or 2.
Alright, we'll see. So we got back from the fire Had a little bit more action. That was kind of cool.
What is it? Ooh.
That's a keeper. Woo! I caught one more keeper, so I have one more to go, but we're just gonna start heating up dinner now. There's still a little frozen chunk in there. But this is a sausage soup with vegetables and rice. Made it earlier in the week and froze it. Tried it as well, and it's really good. We're getting another bite. Whoa. Well, this feels like a better one. Just cut this, so heating up dinner. We're gonna toss them back though. Oh man, dinner was good. We're so full. I'm almost gonna get ready to hop in my sleeping bag. Chase is just gonna fill up the heater, and if nothing happens overnight, we'll see you in the morning for coffee like usual. Look at what Chase just got. He just went outside to pull his lines in for the night, and he had a fish on. So here starts our long night of fishing from bed. We got a bite. Just woke Chase up out of his sleep. Nighttime walleyes. What would that be? Would that be your 4?
Yeah.
You keep it?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Good job, dear.
Since Chase caught that fish, I kid you not, how many have you caught since then?
I don't know.
So many fish. I'm almost getting sick of listening to the bells. It's an intense full moon outside, so I guess that's why the bite is on. It's pretty wild.
She's bright out there.
Very bright. Another one. You guys want to see what Chase is catching all his fish on?
Just literally a minnow head left. Chicken a minnow head.
Got another one. I think I'm gonna keep my line up though, or I'm getting tired. Hooked up again. The little guy. What are you sitting on, the pipe?
Pretty much. Well, good morning. I was unexpected little surprise there.
Last night, yeah, it was exciting and the fishing was lit.
Fishing was crazy last night. We ended up keeping our last 4 walleyes that we needed.
Mm-hmm.
But they're still perching in the lake, so we could continue to fish. I'm gonna make coffee. Princess is still in bed.
Mm-hmm.
And
take it easy this morning, make a good breakfast, pack up slowly, and we can go. Chase is gonna start cooking me breakfast today.
Mr. Maple Moose.
We got these nice Maple Moose breakfast sausages, which we made, and we will have a video dropping shortly on the channel on how we did that. So we're super excited to try these. And then where's the bread?
Right here.
My dad made us a nice artisan loaf, fresh. She baked it yesterday. So we get to try that out too.
Should have brought them inside last night.
Sausages are looking awesome. Oh.
Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth.
Filming this on my phone. My GoPro froze. But we cannot keep them, so send them back.
Just lucky we have a hot pan right now. Hurry up, dear.
Just a baby.
Oh, it is a baby.
Just a tiny little guy. I'm gonna send him back. Look at that. Multitasking, cooking breakfast, being a cameraman. The best husband ever award goes to somebody I know.
Wow, what do you want? folks. Oh yes, that's what we're looking for.
Holy man, oh man. Woo! That's a beauty.
Perch on steroids. Oh, do you see how messed up his top fin is? Look at him. It's like Finding Nemo.
Oh. Nice.
He's gonna find his way to a nice hot pan.
That's right. So, breakfast is still on its way. Just finishing the eggs. We got our sausage and toast already done.
My egg sausage sandwich.
How is it? Good stuff?
Mm-hmm.
The sausage is actually really good. Can't even finish breakfast. Another Walleye. See you, little buddy. How many have we caught now? Who knows, eh?
A lot.
Yeah.
Well, last night was
One after another.
off the charts.
For a while there, I was so tired I just stopped filming, but it's pretty awesome. We might have another taker.
Swimming around with it. Oh yeah, this one. Another Walleye.
Finally, our other rod went off. What do you know it?
It's a walleye. Real gaffer.
Awesome. So I'm starting to pack up. Got the sleeping bags and pillows away. So we're just gonna slowly finish our coffee, start packing up. It was a successful time on the lake. Caught a bunch of fish. We get to go home with our limits, eat some good meals this week, and figure out where we're gonna go on our next adventure. Looks like the sun is out today, so it'll be a nice ride out at least. So you know what to do next. Go outside and do some winter camping. We'll see you later. Even with studs on. Sometimes still get
And that's with 190 studs in the track.
Yeah. We got a lot of rain here before it snows, so it's glare ice.